Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here. And today we are going to unbox another Steelbook for the Marvel Studios Disney Plus original show, WandaVision. Now this is the one that I was looking forward to the most. In fact, I think it's fair to say that most Marvel, Disney, just good TV shows in general, fans wanted this on disc. This show not only got many Primetime Emmy Award nominations, but this was one of the first online exclusive shows that people started really bootlegging on disc. Now, of course, bootlegs of TV shows have existed before, but you saw people like looking for this specifically to buy it, and they would buy a bunch of bootlegs because they thought they were the real thing, and they weren't, and Disney wasn't making it available. In fact, this was such a hot ticket item that there was even a Steelbook release of this that had a bunch of bells and whistles. It didn't have any discs. They were selling everything but the show on the disc, but that's how much people wanted. Now, that release was also met with a lot of ridicule by physical media fans, myself included. I didn't buy it. I was not going to support a release quite like that. But Disney finally came through, and when they announced the initial wave of Disney Plus original shows that were coming to disc, this was the one that everyone wanted the most because this is a great show. This is a really, really good show. This actually showed me that Marvel TV shows could be unique and different in their own ways. They could do things that the movies weren't going to do. And then the rest of the shows, they started doing pretty much what Marvel movies did, except in TV show form, and therefore longer, not as good, but yeah, whatever. So this is the Disney Movie Club exclusive 4K release. I believe that there is a Steelbook edition that is made available on Blu-ray in general release, but you want the bells and whistles and everything, you got to get it for your Disney Movie Club. So let's look at this. And I love this artwork. I love how it has the 60s sitcom style as well as the modern visuals, kind of give you a hint of the contrasting nature. There are bonus extras and concept art film. You have WandaVision on the side, the Marvel Studios logo, no character images. And on the back, again, they're kind of hinting at the weirdness that happens. This show is apparently rated TV 14, so that's pretty standard. And there's 2 discs. The 13 episodes are, is it 13 episodes or is it 8 episodes? I kind of forgot. I think it's 8 episodes, and 4 on each disc. Has HDR, immersive audio. So, and by the way, folks, the grain in some of the episodes is absolutely intentional. So don't call Disney and say that the disc is effective. Okay, let's open this, and it's fun because it is rare these days. I hate to say it's rare these days where I get like a Marvel thing that it's like I am genuinely excited to watch again, and I am looking forward to watching this on 4K on my set with the proper surround sound because streaming has limitations to how good it looks and sounds. Now on the back, ooh, that's nice. That is a nice image. Again, it shows you exactly what it's about. And, well, it doesn't really show you what it's about, but it definitely hints at something unique to come. Now there is no digital code with this, but oh, I love that. I love that design, like the old Hollywood, like the Al Herschel drawings, like. Oh, I love this is great. I don't know though. Boy, that one's stuck. That one's really stuck. I don't know if I would have picked that picture. That's not great. I don't know. What do you like that? You can tell me. Well, here, while we're debating that, let's look at these cards. Like, ooh. You mean there's a little bonus for buying discs? Yeah, because when you do things like this, people are more inclined to buy it because they want to collect it and things like that. Now, these cards I don't think serve any practical purpose other than that they look cool, although maybe if you have one of those lithograph collector books at the house. I got to be careful. I can't open it in front of you and get these out undamaged. I have to, there, see, I just didn't want to bend it. So let's look at these, and like that image, that's pretty good. I like the Norman Rockwell type paintings. that shows a little bit more the action that's to come later on. So there's 3. Was there supposed to be 3 or 4? Oh, nope, it shows 3. Okay, so anyway, I'll put that one at the top because that one's my favorite one. I really love the designs of these discs. So this was just a nicely designed set all around, and I like the colors. This is definitely the nicest one so far. I guess we'll see if Mandalorian's releases change and increase my esteem of that. So anyway, that's the WandaVision Disney Movie Club 4K release. Do you like it? Do you own it? What do you think about this whole set? And what future things would you like to see Disney release from Disney Plus? Personally, I want that Howard documentary. I think that would be pretty cool. But anyway, I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.